Good morning, students. Welcome to Path Online Tutorials. We are doing chapter number 10 circles, some extra important questions. And one of the important question is this. This is extra question number 7. In this, there is triangle ABC, right angled at C. It touches a circle at point E, D, and F. So the side opposite to vertex C is called small c, opposite to A is called small a, and opposite to B is called small b. OE, OD, OF are radii of same circle. If it is so, then we have to prove that the radius of the circle is equal to A plus B minus C upon 2. So in order to prove this expression, we need some equations involving R, A, B and C. How can we form these equations? So let us start first with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Triangle ABC is a right angled triangle, right angled at C. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we can say that AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. That is, AB is C, C square is equal to AC, AC is B, B square, and BC is A. So in this way, we have got one equation involving A, B and C, but in order to prove this, we need equation involving A, B, C and R. So it means that we have to form some more equation in which R must be there. Now see, C is outer point, CE and CD are tangents to the circle, therefore CE is equal to CD. Now see, OE perpendicular to AC, OD perpendicular to BC. Therefore, angle OEC is equal to 90 degree, and also angle ODC is also of 90 degree. And it has been given that angle C is of 90 degree. So in quadrilateral OECD, three angles are of 90 degree. It means that fourth angle is also of 90 degree. If all four angles are of 90 degree in a quadrilateral, then at least we can say that OECD is a rectangle. Therefore, OECD is a rectangle. If OECD is a rectangle, it means that opposite sides are equal, and on the same hand we know that OE is equal to OD, and CE is equal to CD. Opposite sides equal हैं, साथ ही साथ adjacent sides equal हैं. It means that OE is equal to OD is equal to CE is equal to CD. This implies that OECD is a square. सो यहाँ तक हमने डिड्यूस कर लिया है कि जो OECD रेक्टेंगल है ये एक्चुअली स्क्वायर है और इसकी सारी साइड्स इक्वल है. Now, how can we use this in proving? See, if all these sides are equal, then this is also equal to R and EC is also equal to R. OECD is a square whose sides are equal to radius of the circle. Now see, AB is the side C, and AB is equal to AF plus BF. AB is equal to AF plus BF. अगर मैं ऐसा करता हूं तो मैं साइड C निकाल रहा हूं. अगर मैं साइड C निकाल रहा हूं तो AB का रेडियस से क्या रिलेशन है, क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली मेरे को एक ऐसी इक्वेशन बनानी है जिसमें रेडियस हो. अब इसका रेडियस से कैसे रिलेशन एस्टेब्लिश करें? सी AF इज इक्वल टू AE. AF AE के इक्वल है. अब AE देखो, AE को हम रेडियस की फॉर्म में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? AE इज इक्वल टू AC माइनस EC. And AC is B and EC is equal to R. तो इस तरह मेरे पास एक एक्सप्रेशन आ गया है जिसका एक पार्ट तो साइड C का पार्ट है और दूसरा पार्ट रेडियस इन्वॉल्व कर रहा है. तो इस एक्सप्रेशन में रेडियस आ रही है. इसी तरह अगर मैं BF निकालता हूं, अब BF किसके इक्वल है? BD के इक्वल, क्योंकि एक्सटर्नल टेंजेंट है. BF इज इक्वल टू, अगर BD है तो मैं BD को कैसे लिख सकता हूं? BD इज इक्वल टू BC माइनस DC. And the side BC is A and DC is R. So इस तरह AE और BD को मैंने रेडियस की फॉर्म में निकाल लिया. AE AF के इक्वल है, BD BF के इक्वल है. अब इन सबको मैं इसमें पुट करने की कोशिश करता हूँ. AB इज इक्वल टू AF प्लस BF. AB की वैल्यू पुट कर दी मैंने, C. AF इज इक्वल टू AE है, AE प्लस BF इज इक्वल टू BD है, BD. सो C इज इक्वल टू AE की वैल्यू है B माइनस R, BD की वैल्यू है A माइनस R. ये एक इक्वेशन आ गई है हमारे पास जिसमें तीनों एक्सप्रेशन है, A, B, C और साथ ही साथ R, जिसकी हमको वैल्यू निकालनी है. अब जब हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली जो प्रूव करना है वो प्रूव हो जाएगा. कैसे? C इज इक्वल टू B प्लस A प्लस B लिख लिया, माइनस R माइनस R माइनस 2R. माइनस 2R इधर आएगा, पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. C को उधर ले जाएंगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा. सो R इज इक्वल टू A प्लस B माइनस C अपॉन 2. So in this way we have proved this question with the help of basic application of common sense. If we want to prove R is equal to A plus B minus C upon 2, then it is simple that we need some equations involving R, A, B and C. I started with the simple Pythagoras theorem. With the Pythagoras theorem I get C square is equal to A square plus B square. Then I thought that in this expression R is not there. So in order to introduce R, I concentrated on AB. Why I have concentrated on AB? Because AB is hypotenuse of the triangle and it has two parts, AF and BF. AF is equal to AE, and with the help of AE I can establish the relation with R, because AE is equal to AC minus EC. AC is B and EC is R. In this way I have got AE is equal to B minus R. So from here I observed that now I have got an expression in which R is there. Again BF is equal to BD and BD is equal to BC minus DC. BC is A and DC is R. Again I have got BD is equal to A minus R, which is an expression involving R. And on adding AF and BD, on adding AE and BD, I have got C is equal to B minus R plus A minus R. Here I know that I have got an equation involving all the four expressions, and after it, on simplifying, I have proved R is equal to A plus B minus C divided by 2.